feeding the chickens. So satisfying. Oh my god. Fresh grain. Let's put it in. And here is one of the chickens over there.